And welcome to ACG 3024, Accounting for Managers. I wanted to get everyone started on the same page and explain a few things about the course really quickly, so give me a few minutes of your time. It's going to be a very busy 8 weeks upcoming, but I guarantee you're going to learn a great deal when we get done here. So the first priority, you need to go ahead and get your textbook. Your first assignment is going to be due at the end of the first week. And I do not give extensions on the homework because I release the answers as soon as the homework is due, the assignments. So number one priority, go get to the bookstore and get that book. It's quite expensive. We'll talk about that. Or order it online right away so you get it here as soon as possible. Here's the textbook. It's Accounting for Managers by Marshall McManus in Veal 9th edition. So if you're just ordering the book, say on the internet, you'll use this ISBN. The bookstore, this is the ISBN they use. The difference, if you buy at the bookstore, you get this Kinect Access. That's a homework management software. That's where you're going to submit your homework and your quizzes. And it does cost $50, a separate purchase of Kinect. So if you buy your book elsewhere, a used book or a new book elsewhere besides the bookstore, you will have an additional $50 cost. So you need both a copy of the book and Kinect Access. Again, Kinect is included with a purchase of the bookstore or can be purchased directly from the publisher for $50. I do recommend a paper book. You can purchase an electronic book. Students in the past say they prefer a paper book. I'm not familiar with older versions of this textbook, so if you do purchase it, you may or may not be successful with that. All right. Important book options here. The bookstore is charging a whopping $271.50. That does include your Kinect Access. I apologize, I didn't realize it was so expensive. This text was selected from someone else, so it's something we're going to have to look at. So I recommend you to check allbookstores.com. You can get some great deals on this book. If you go there, enter in the ISBN number I gave you, click compare prices, and you should be able to see what's available to you at that moment. So you can see you can rent this book right now for $34. That sounds like a great option to me. You can buy it new, it says, for $38.50. That's something else you may want to look at, because then you can turn around and resell it at the end of the term. Or, so in this case, the used book actually looks more expensive than the new book, but don't forget about that $50 Kinect. You can also buy from the publisher the ebook with Kinect. It's called Kinect Plus, and I'll make another video to show you how to do that directly from the publisher for $115. Again, be wary of an ebook in an accounting class. It's possibly not the best option unless you're really familiar with ebooks. Second priority is going to be to get registered for Kinect. You can wait until you start the first assignment, and you can get a free 3 weeks without paying. So if you're waiting for your textbook, you can still log in and do your homework, perhaps based on the PowerPoint slides or something, because you get free access for 3 weeks. So there are going to be no excuses for not completing your homework on time, and I will give you an explanation of how to do that on another video here. So next thing I'd like you to do, print off the syllabus and review it carefully. Everyone is always most interested in the course requirements. You'll have 8 quizzes. They're 50 points each, 8 assignments, and 8 discussion board postings. So basically each week you're going to have a homework assignment, a quiz, and a discussion board requirement. So the quizzes are 1 per module, which equates to 1 per week over every 2 chapters. They're multiple choice questions. You'll have 90 minutes to complete that quiz. You'll get 1 attempt. So make sure you don't start it unless you're ready to finish it, and you're well prepared. Late quizzes you can take, but they receive a 5% per day penalty. The assignments, again, 1 per module, which is roughly every 2 chapters. You have to complete it in Kinect, and you must access it via Blackboard. Otherwise, your grades will not update properly. They're problem type questions, and they can take quite a while. I'm assuming it will take most of you anywhere between an hour and a half and 3 hours to complete each homework assignment. And I don't accept late assignments. Reason being, I release the answers after the due date. So don't even ask, because the answer is going to be no. I do not accept late assignments. You have to organize your time wisely, or contact me in advance if you think you're not going to be able to complete them. Discussion board is 1 per module. You'll have 3 required postings, and they obviously must be made on different days if you'd like full credit. Again, I don't accept late work. So hope that gets you started. Thank you.